Welcome back, everyone. So here with me, I have Leon, who's joining from the first session. Jesus, I don't know how to speak. I'm so nervous. We have Tammy as well, and we have the big man of the year, Data Sloths. Guys, how does it feel? How does it feel to win stage 2? I'll let you. This will be my first question.
I think it's just a bit overwhelming. We didn't expect that, so we're quite happy, I suppose.
I actually have a question. So I know that you are an international team.
Yeah.
Where do you guys all come from, or where are you based? I think that could be interesting to know.
Well, originally I'm from Germany, but I'm living in the UK now. Susan is from Australia, and Sydney, Australia, and Carolina and Sonia. Carolina is from Italy but lives in Lisbon, and Sonia, she's from Iran and lives in Lisbon as well. So yeah, we're all over the place, literally.
Wow, great. How does it feel like to work over so many time zones? Because I mean, especially to Suzanne, because if she's in Australia now, that's a big gap.
Yeah.
Quite late there now already.
Yeah, it's midnight here now. So it's interesting. The good thing is sometimes we can work around the clock a little bit. But yeah, like my sleep pattern gets a bit all over the place at the moment. So
Susan, it's good to see that doesn't influence the success of the team at all. So I wonder how many points you guys would have if you were actually sleeping well.
Well, we have like a 24/7 rota because of the time differences, so kind of.
Have you guys calculated how many hours do you have in common so that you know like how much time you actually have to work on this?
Well, we usually meet in the mornings, so that's quite works well. And then when we do something like, some of us do a part, and then Susan, usually when we sleep, she can do something else. It actually works quite well, I think, with the time differences, because especially because we work in Google Colabs, Jupyter Notebook, and sometimes, you have different versions. You don't want to just, have it all over the place. So I think actually the time differences work quite reasonable well.
Okay.
I think it's actually because the rest of the team work really, really hard. So I just do
we all across the board, I think we do.
No, it has to be a team effort for sure. Guys, I have a question. We just saw your video pitch. We still have a stage 3 going on. We will still have a stage 4, and then we have the finals. Can you guys share a little bit, without really revealing too much of your secret, of course, but can you explain a little bit how you thought, what was your thought process for stage 2, and what you think was the key success factors for you guys to win this one?
I think one of the main things is actually what we do is like we meet up together. I mean, we first of all prepare for the different challenges, like reading through the challenge description, understanding actually what is the business objective or what's the objective, the social problem objective. And I think one of the key factors is actually not just going on to the challenge and doing a lot of maybe analysis and the model or whatever. First of all, understanding what we actually have to do, and then communication, what do we want to achieve, making a plan of action. I think that's one of the key things as well, and working collaborative and sharing ideas, and also because we are people in the team with different knowledge from different skill sets from different industries as well. I think and also different levels of data science experience, is just also like to pull together up our skill set. And I think that way doing it, I think it's probably our key, or like our recipe maybe for that. I mean, we just also enjoy it. I think we also are quite passionate about it, and we're driving each other to deliver it. And I think that's probably what it is. I mean, obviously you have also the technical skill sets and stuff, but that's something we when we don't know it, we just do the research and learn about it. And yeah, I think probably to sum it up.
Okay, cool. Any other inputs from the rest of the team? Any other secrets to share?
I think for Sonia or Carolina, they're both, and Sonia is there too, and Susan.
Actually, we enjoy being in a same team, even thinking to continue to be as a team after this competition. and even thinking to do the other challenges together. Because of the lack of time, we have to choose one of the challenges in each stage, but we are thinking even to do other challenges after finishing the competition together. So it's really enjoyable for us.
That's cool. If you do the other challenges and you happen to finish them in time for our white paper, you can still, which is going to be during the summer, you can still send it to us, and we will add it even if it's not evaluated.
Yeah,
That's
that would be great. Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it's great. Okay.
Leon, any questions?
No, I think pretty much for me that's it. I mean, I think that's it. I cannot think of anything else right now. I just want to congratulate you guys on the great effort that you've been doing. And it was a close call. It was a close call of Tech Moguls, and Tech Moguls also both of your submissions. And they both look great, but that's what this course says. And congratulations, guys.
You guys have been going toe to toe since the other stage and now this time.
Yeah.
I was going to ask another question. Why did you decide to choose this challenge and not any of the other three?
Well, that's actually a good question for Susan to answer, I think. Yes.
I try to make those ones.
So what we did was we each picked one challenge because there were 4 of them, and we each did the EDA. And then we had a meeting to pitch the one that we worked on, or what to explain, and then to discuss as a group. And I think I was quite passionate about learning time series. So, and I really liked the idea that there were a lot of information about the sensors, a lot of data to analyze. So I was being very, very persuasive.
Let's say you really convinced us.
I didn't give up.
You really convinced us
to
come to this, but even
really good, I think.
Yeah.
Because we first wanted to go with the parking challenge because we thought it's it's not as complex. We thought like, we have a bit of time constraints. But then I think we probably learned more with the first challenge. It was a good call from Susan actually to do that. That was really good, I think. Yeah, really happy.
Okay, guys, awesome. I couldn't have given a better hint than that one. Dividing the challenges among yourselves and then pitching to yourselves. That's a great idea. That's really good.